Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want to keep your character more personal or limit who sees it, here's how you can easily make your PolyBuzz character private in just a few steps. First, open your browser, navigate to your search engine and go to the PolyBuzz website. Here, tap on the character icon at the bottom. Scroll down to the character bank section and here you will see the list of your characters. Find the character you want to make private and tap edit. Scroll down and reach the section called permission. As you can see, my character is public right now. To make it private, I will just tap on private like this and tap save. And as you can see, my character is private now. Now your character will no longer appear publicly to other users unless you allow it. And that's how you make your characters private in PolyBuzz. Let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.